Ije Love, Journey of Love. Ije Love, Ije Love, oh. Ije Love, oh. It's American love, American love, American love. It's a love of family, it's a love of country, it's a love of freedom. Freedom, America. Jesus is for America. Jesus is for America. America, America. It's about what you do, it's about what you do for your country, for your family, for your wife, for your husband, for your children, for your friends, for your girlfriend or your boyfriend, for your community. It's American love. The ultimate love, the ultimate love is the love of Jesus, Jesus Christ. The love of Jesus is the ultimate love, American love. Ije Love, oh. Ije Love, oh. It's American love, American love, American love. It's a love of family, it's a love of country, it's a love of freedom. Freedom is America. Jesus is for America. Jesus is for America. In every celebration in America, let us celebrate Jesus. The freedom we have through Jesus Christ, our Saviour.